Look at this bird, tiny, delicate, and barely the weight of a tennis ball. Yet, it has chosen to be right here, on a pond that the sun is slowly drying up. This is the African Jacana. What you're watching right now is one of nature's most remarkable survival stories. Those long toes are no accident. They spread the bird's weight across soft and wet ground. A balancing act millions of years in the making. But look at this place. The water is almost gone. What was once a full wetland is now just a muddy puddle. Yet this bird is still feeding, flipping the breeze and probing the mud, finding food where most animals would find nothing. It is not panicking, it is working. Here's what will change how you see this bird. In most species, the male holds territory, the female raises the young, but the Jacana does the opposite. The female owns the territory, she defends it fearlessly. The male raises the chicks all by himself. But when danger comes, the father does not run, he stays. He shields the young with his own body. But this mole, choosing to stay, that courage to protect, to push on even when everything around you is drying up. You're watching it right now. Wetlands like these ones are vanishing across Africa. Not just from drought, development, drainage, pollution, just slowly and quietly. When the water is gone, everything goes with it. But the more people love this world, the harder they'll fight to protect it. This pond is still here. This bird is still feeding. Let's keep it that way. I'm Raska, and this is Birdscapes Kenya.